In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle a dispute during a peer-to-peer or P2p trade. Navigating the process can feel daunting, but I'm here to guide you through each step clearly and thoroughly. Our goal is to ensure that you're well prepared to handle any disputes that may arise efficiently and confidently. First, let's begin by opening the Binance app. Once inside, navigate over to the trade section, and from there tap on P2p. This is where you can manage your peer-to-peer trades. Once you've accessed your P2p dashboard, the next step is to locate your orders. Simply tap on Orders and select the specific trade that is causing concern or requires your attention. This trade should be easily visible from your recent transactions list, so make sure to select it accurately. Now, if there happens to be an issue within your selected trade, your next move is to tap on either Appeal or Report, depending on the situation and options available. This is a crucial step as it formally flags the transaction for further review and possible intervention. As soon as you do this, you'll be prompted to specify your reason for reporting the trade. It's important to be as precise and clear as possible about the nature of the dispute. Details are key. Once you've outlined your reason, the platform will allow you to attach any supporting evidence that you might have. This can be screenshots of messages, transaction details, or any other documentation that you believe could shed light on the situation. These attachments help provide a fuller picture of the dispute to the support team at Binance, aiding them in handling the case more effectively. After you have submitted your appeal and any accompanying documentation, Binance's support team takes over. They will review the details of the dispute and mediate between the parties involved. Keep in mind that while support strives to resolve disputes promptly, it's important to remain patient as they work through the process. Their goal is to reach a resolution that is fair and balanced for everyone involved. You don't have to do anything further at this point but wait for their decision. Finally, once the review is complete, Binance will notify you of the outcome directly within the app. Make sure your app notifications are enabled so you don't miss any important updates regarding your case. With the resolution in hand, you can proceed with your next steps, whatever they may be. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on effectively managing disputes during a P2P trade on Binance. Remember, clarity and promptness are your greatest allies in ensuring a swift resolution. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, handle your trade safely and smartly.